The BMW R68, introduced in 1952, was one of the most important motorcycles of its era. At a time when Europe was still recovering from World War II, BMW was determined to rebuild its reputation as a manufacturer of high-performance and reliable machines. The R68 was essentially BMW's statement to the world, a motorcycle that wasn't just about practicality but about speed, engineering, and prestige. It became the first production motorcycle from BMW capable of reaching 100 miles per hour, 160 kilometers per hour, a milestone that instantly set it apart and earned it the nickname, the fastest motorcycle of the 1950s. While many motorcycles of the time were designed as utilitarian transport, the R68 was marketed as a premium sports machine. It was expensive, rare, and carried an aura of exclusivity that appealed to serious riders and collectors. The BMW R68 carried forward the traditional BMW design language of the 1950s, with a clean, simple, and functional aesthetic. Its black paint with white pinstripes became a signature look, still iconic today. The frame was a double-loop steel tube chassis, designed for strength and stability at high speeds. The exposed engine boxer cylinders sticking out on either side, and the sleek tank design made it unmistakably BMW. One of the R68's unique features was its racing-style sports seat and optional high-mounted exhausts, which gave it a sporty look. The bike's proportions were compact yet elegant, making it appealing both as a performance machine and a collector's item. Compared to the utilitarian bikes of the era, the R68 looked premium and modern, something that fit its reputation as the ultimate sports motorcycle of the 1950s. For riders of the 1950s, the BMW R68 delivered an experience unlike anything else available. The low center of gravity, thanks to the boxer twin-engine layout, made the bike incredibly stable, even at high speeds. The suspension was advanced for its time, with telescopic forks at the front and a plunger-type rear suspension. While not as sophisticated as modern systems, it provided a comfortable and predictable ride on the roads of the era. Riders praised the R68's handling, especially its stability on long stretches of road. The drum brakes, though limited by today's standards, were strong enough for the time, giving riders confidence. The riding position was sporty yet practical. Long-distance touring was entirely possible, but the R68's real thrill came from opening the throttle and experiencing speed that most motorcycles of its day could never dream of reaching. At the heart of the BMW R68 was its legendary 594 cubic centimeters air-cooled, 4-stroke, OHV boxer twin engine. This engine produced 35 horsepower at 7,000 RPM, a remarkable figure for the early 1950s. It was mated to a 4-speed manual gearbox with shaft drive, another hallmark of BMW engineering that emphasized durability and low maintenance compared to chain-driven rivals. What truly set the R68 apart was its performance. It could achieve a top speed of 160 kilometers per hour, 100 miles per hour, making it the fastest production motorcycle of its time. BMW even marketed the bike with this performance claim, and in testing it consistently delivered. The smoothness of the boxer engine, combined with its impressive power, made the R68 both thrilling and reliable. It wasn't just fast for its day, it was groundbreaking. The BMW R68 was never a mass-market motorcycle. Only around 1,452 units were produced between 1952 and 1954, making it one of the rarest BMW motorcycles ever built. Its high price meant it was accessible only to wealthy enthusiasts, and its exclusivity has only increased over the decades. Today, the R68 is considered one of the holy grails of vintage BMW collecting. Auction prices for well-preserved examples often exceed $100,000, depending on originality and condition. The combination of rarity, historical significance, and timeless design makes it one of the most desirable motorcycles of the post-war era. The R68 also laid the foundation for future BMW sport models, influencing the design of the legendary R69 and R69S that followed. The BMW R68 was more than just the fastest motorcycle of the 1950s. It was a symbol of BMW's resilience, innovation, and pursuit of performance. It combined German engineering precision with a bold vision of speed and exclusivity, setting benchmarks for sport motorcycles in the post-war era. Its boxer twin engine 100 miles per hour top speed, an elegant design made it a true masterpiece of its time. While it may not have been produced in large numbers, the R68's influence and legacy are undeniable. It remains one of the most collectible and historically important motorcycles ever built. For enthusiasts and collectors, the BMW R68 is not just a bike. It's a piece of motorcycling history, representing a golden era when speed records were being broken and innovation was reshaping the industry. In every sense, the BMW R68 rightfully holds its place as the fastest motorcycle of the 1950s.